Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to share reels on Instagram without the logo. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you are there, just go to the reels section. Suppose I'm here in this specific reel and I want to add this one. So just tap on the paper plane option, or once you do it, as you can see, I can just add this again. Here, go to add to story, and here all you need to do is just to make it large, and then here goes the reel without the logo, and you have to just post it on your story. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.